fine.
Well, I mean, obviously keep an eye on it.
We'd already be feeling fallout if there was shrapnel coming this far. Big tanks have already exploded. Those were the 2 first booms.
Yeah, these are just little bullets going off now.
Yeah, these are the little cans. The 10,000 of them that are stacked over there.
Actually, it's completely unrelated to anything.
Oh. Well, maybe get him inside anyhow.
Come on, Dozer, come! Sit. Sit.
Right here.
Dozer, sit.
Right here. Dozer, come. Come. Sit. Sit. Dozer, sit. Sit. Dozer, sit. I don't even see if the news copters are up. That's just another airplane. Sit.
Wow.
Stay.
Ooh, did you see that?
So yeah, something
yeah.
just went flying through the air.
It is spreading. It's getting bigger at the bottom.
Straight up mushroom cloud.
Well, you can see every once in a while a tank will shoot all the way up into the air
Yeah.
and come back down.
Like a bottle rocket.
Yep.